Let's check them out. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe. You can like. You can dislike. You can unsubscribe. You can turn on notifications. You can turn off notifications. I don't know. There's like a couple things you can do if you really want to. But overall, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hello, pals! Today we're taking a closer look at a sneaker that has been slowly releasing in the United States for the past couple of months. It's these. The Nike Dunk Low Pro SB in the laser orange Regency purple colorway. Obviously looks very Los Angeles Lakers-esque. There's really not much of a There's really not much of a story connected to these sneakers other than the fact that certain sneaker conspiracy theorists think that this is a Lakers colorway, which it kind of is. I mean, if you look at it, duh. But they're supposed to coincide with the Chicago Dunk Low Pro SB colorway that was leaked by Size. As far as I know, it's slated for an I have no clue release. This Dunk Low Pro SB general release features a lot of materials, actually. You got laser orange, yellow, suede on the mud guard, on the eyelets, on the heel counter. You got white leather on the ankle collar, on the side panel, and the vamp. Regency purple patent leather on the ankle tab, along with the swoosh. White Nike branding on the actual ankle tab. You got Regency purple liner, Regency purple secondary laces to match the swoosh, a laser orange yellow insole with Zoom Air with white branding. You got a white fat tongue with Nike SB branding in Regency purple, white stock laces. You got a white midsole with white threading holding it on. This kind of milky, clear, icy outsole with the Regency purple branding in the arch, which is pretty nice. I mean, no matter how you slice it, this looks like a Lakers colorway. That's just all there is to it. Pretty nice release. So let's take a closer look and see the details on this puppy. Much like any Dunk Low SB, it's got a fat tongue, so you're probably going to need to go up a half size from your true to size. I know I do, and I have weird feet, but everyone I've talked to has had to go up a half size. As far as release info goes, more and more places are getting these. I know CCS released them. I actually bought mine from a buddy, Chris, so thank you, Chris. Give him a follow on Twitter if you really want to. So these are getting harder and harder to find for retail because just shipment delays brought on by the COVID pandemic just have kind of screwed up this release in general. But as always, check your local skate shop if they haven't released them yet, or your favorite online retailer. I can't even think of where. I mean, there's skate shops in Chicago that haven't even got these yet, but they've also released the Philly Blunts, so I don't really know. My personal thoughts, I like them. The yellow is really, really nice. Sorry, laser orange is really, really nice. The only thing I would really change is put some black laces on here, even though I know there's really not much, there's no black on these whatsoever. But I think black laces would look very, very nice. I'm not a fan of purple, so the purple laces would kind of be meh. I really like the outsole. I think the outsole is a nice touch. I think it sets it apart from making an overly obvious Los Angeles Lakers colorway, which is very cool, but very nicely done. GRs have just, the quality in them have gone up crazy in the past year, so very cool release. I think the resale on these is floating around $300 to $350 depending on size, so I paid $300 for these, so very cool release. The laser orange, Regency purple, white, Dunk Low Pro SB. Very cool. Hey, thank you for taking the time to watch. Thank you again, Chris, for helping me out with this pair. And I know this is a very sought after pair because a lot of people like the Lakers. I mean, I like the Cavs, and the Cavs highs that came out like a year and a half, 2 years ago just aren't that good, in my opinion. So definitely check them out if you really want to. Thank you for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. And I will see you soon for some other kind of video because that's how YouTube channels work. So, hey, remember to take care of each other and make sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!